What's up, YouTube? Mike here. I am here with Gone with Gibson, and we are throwing shocks in his truck, a 2000 Ford F-250. The bolts in the back.
It looks like you're gonna ram.
All right, so the rear shocks on this truck are very easy. On the bottom, we just have a bolt. So you just take off the nut. We already took that nut off. Then you have another bolt right here. You'll have to pound that bolt out. And then on the top, there's a stud and another nut. So you'll pull that out. And that's how we'll get her out. So we already loosened her. I'm gonna just screw the nut on a few turns, because if you hit it out with the hammer, you don't want to mess up the threads on that bolt. If we're gonna reuse because I don't think the new shock comes with a new bolt. Now I had these. I was soaking these nuts in some PB Blaster. Take that nut off. Pull this guy out. And we pulled the spare tire out of the way just so it's easier to get at this. You get it. Oh, she's coming.
Here's his blade right too. I'll put her back.
Let's put a little PB. I put PB Blaster in that rubber, so that rubber goes on easier. Yeah, so putting it on, it's going to be a little difficult. Need to compress the shock a little bit. So what I like to do a lot of times is get a bar. Let's put it on there, and then you can slide the shock up the bar. Oh, look at that, that fell off. We don't need that. So there's that right there. Let's pull that bar out. And don't. There. Got her. size is that thing?
The smaller of the two.
No, an 18's too big. Oh, I got 19 on there.
Say, we have an 18 and 19. It's the
Yeah.
The one I had on there, probably, Mike.
Alright. You want to make sure you use the right size. Alright, here we go. We'll tighten up the top one. That's it. Shocks are easy. Nothing too complicated here.
How often should you do them, Mike?
I don't think there's like a specified time period. I think once you notice the quality of your ride, like if it's your ride's getting really bouncy. Also, shocks can create wear on your tires too, because the only thing a shock does is keep your tire pressed against the ground. So if your shock's worn out, your tire's going to be bouncing a lot more. So you'll get like cupping on the tires and wear spots, uneven wear in your tires. Put a little lube on there. Get her hot. Alright.
Done with the PD then?
And then this, yeah, I think I'm done with it. Here, for this part, because you want to compress it a little bit, I'll put a bar in here. I don't know if you can see that. And then what we're going to do is, I don't know if it's going to work on this side. You got the exhaust in the way. Not quite like the other side here. Alright. We're just gonna have to push. Oh. Oh.
Them new ones are a little stiffer, huh?
Yeah.
The old ones are wore the beans out.
Wore the beans?
Oh, because normally you'd bring that shock back towards the rear and then slide it right up the bar?
Yeah, you could do that, yeah.
Oh, I see your trick.
You got the shock, the exhaust right in the way. Do you have a rattle?
No. I've never heard a rattle.
Yeah, I'm sure you don't hear it.
I hear everything, bro.
Alright.
To push once I got under it.
Alright.
Want me just to try to jam it up into there?
Yeah, let's do that. I'll put the bolt in.
Let me get this out of my way so I can get up in here better. I think I can probably do that for you.
Yeah, you can put that on there.
You're getting the right angle. Getting it started is going to be the hard part, though. Get your bolt. You're started, right? I gotta take a break.
Yeah, take a break. Watch your hand, I'm gonna tap it with a hammer.
That was way easier with teamwork, wasn't it?
It was. Way easier.
What is this old bracket for?
I don't know, I was gonna ask you.
That one never the bad one.
That sounds shocking. All right, we got them in there. I think that's gonna be a wrap. Hey, thank you so much, YouTube, for watching. We got Gone with Gibson shocks in.